what is the value of a? Given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100, then let's have it to be solution from here. From here, we have 5 to the power of a in common, so we can have it to be 5 to the power of a, open parenthesis, this 5 to the power of a divided by this will be 1, plus this 5 to the power of a divided by this will be 1, then equals 100. So from here, we have 5 to the power of a, 1 plus 1 will give us 2, equals 100. Then let's divide through by 2. So we have 5 to the power of a equals 100 divided by 2 will give us 50. Then we can have it here again as 5 to the power of a equals 5 times 10 will give us 50. Let's put them in parentheses. So from here, let's introduce log to both sides. We have log 5 to the power of a equals as log 5 times 10. Recall that when we have log p to the power of m, this will be equals m multiplied by log p. And when we also have log, open parenthesis, a times b equals when we have log a plus log b, where our a equals 5, our b equals 10, then our m here is a, it will come down to base here. So from here, we are going to have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 5 plus log 10. So dividing through by log 5, then from here, this log 5 divided by this log 5 will be 1 times a. We have our a to be equals log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. Then let us distribute this log 5. Here will be log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So from here, we have a to be equals log 5 divided by log 5 will be 1, plus from here we have log 10 divided by log 5, because we can also have 10 to be equals 5 times 2. Then when we substitute here, we are going to have a to be equals 1 plus log, open parenthesis, 5 times 2 divided by log 5. Then we have to apply the products from here. We have to apply this one. So we have a to be equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So from here we have a to be equals 1 plus we have this to be log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So we have a to be equals 1 plus log 5 divided by log 5 will also be 1. Then plus here will be log 2 divided by log 5. So we have to recall that when we have log a divided by log b equals as when we have log a in base b. So finally, our a will be equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. We have our a to be 2 and our b to be equals 5. This is the final answer for the value of a. Then let us now check. To check, we are going to have we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a to be equals 100. Then our a equals this. So we are going to have here to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 100. So we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. This repeated twice, we have to have it as 1. This divided by this will be 1 first. This, the whole of this divided by this will also be 1. Then it's going to give us 100. So from here, we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Then it's going to give us 100. From here, we have to recall that when we have a to the power of m plus n, from the law of indices, this always equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when we apply this one here, we are going to have 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Because our n will be equals log 2 in base 5, then multiply by 2, then it's going to give you 100. So from here, 5 to the power of 2 simply means 5 times 5. This is equals 5 times 5, which is 25, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5, then it's going to give you 100. So from here, 25 times 2, we have 2 times 5 will give us 10. Right side will take 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 will give us 5. So this is 50, multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5, then it's going to give you 100. So recall, anytime that when we have a, then this a also raised to the power of b in base a. This a raised the power to be log b in base a, where this base and this base are the same. So the output of this expression always equals b. So likewise happen to this one. The output of this expression will be, let's write this one first, 50. This and this are the same. This one will be 2. 550 times 2 is 100, which equals this 100. So from here, the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. And this implies that a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5 satisfy the problem. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye-bye.